Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set up an Airalo eSIM step by step, so you can stay connected while traveling without needing a physical SIM card. Let's get started. First, download the Airalo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create your account or just log in. Next, browse for a data plan based on your destination. Airalo offers eSIM plans for many countries and regions, so simply select the one that fits your needs. After purchasing your plan, go to your eSIM details in the app and tap on Install eSIM. You will see different installation options like direct installation or QR code. The easiest method is direct installation. Just tap Install eSIM and follow the on-screen instructions. Your phone will guide you through the setup process. Once the eSIM installed, make sure to turn on your eSIM line and set it as your data line. Also enable data roaming if required. Finally, you are ready to go. Your Airalo SIM should now be active, allowing you to use mobile data without needing a physical SIM card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.